Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? I'm your host, and welcome to Tag to Tech. While the Realme 16 Pro and 16 Pro Plus have been out for several weeks, their non-Pro counterpart just made its official debut. The Realme 16 was unveiled in Vietnam today and is expected to make its way to more regions soon. This one differs from the two Pro variants by opting for the trendier Air design that's clearly inspired by the iPhone Air as well as the Google Pixel lineup with its camera visor on the back. That visor houses a 50-megapixel main cam, IMX852, alongside a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. The phone supports Realme's LumaColor image processing tech. The other interesting bit is the selfie mirror on the edge, which allows users to take selfies with the main sensor from the back. Up front, Realme 16 packs a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is rated at 4,500 nits peak brightness and features AGC DT-Star D Plus tempered glass. The panel also gets a 50-megapixel selfie cam and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Realme 16 opts for the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Turbo chipset, which is paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128/256 GB of storage. The device is 8.1 millimeters thick and weighs 183 grams. It features IP68/68/69/69K ingress protection and a sizable 7,000 mAh battery with 60-watt fast charging. Realme 16 is listed in white swan and black cloud colors. Pricing in Vietnam starts at $443 for the 8/256 GB trim and goes up to $481 for the 12/256 GB version.